So now we will start with creating a Flask server and uh, hosting our one HTML page on it. Okay, so go your folder. So this is my man1 folder. This is my man1 folder. Create a file. So this
Can
file
you
I will name it as main.py. Main.py. And
Where are you sharing your screen? Hello.
oh, sorry. Visible, right? Visible.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I just created a new file called Python main.py and make sure. Okay. Over here you will see Python and over here you will see your environment name. So right now I'm in my global environment. I need to change it. So click on change and you will see a recommended section and you will see your virtual environment over here. So click on this one. Don't use your global environment. Global environment will not have all the dependencies in, in it. Okay, so now we will import the necessary. Guys, can you unmute, please? Okay. So from class import Flask. Uh, yeah. So and render templates. Render template. We'll just name it as RT. So we don't have to write again and again and again. And so we'll first create a Flask object. Class, and we'll put the Python variables, local variables, whatever you call it, name. So these are some special variables that are created every time you create a Python .py file. Okay, and this name suggests that just notice this name suggests that whether the current file is being run directly or not. The current file is run directly, then only this Python this app object is gonna get created. Yeah. So and next we put okay uh, app dot route. Okay, so let's just first see if our Flask server is working or not. Again, we will just uh, use the name and we'll check if it is the main file or not. So we'll check if it's the main file or not. If it's if it is the main file, then only the server will run. So app dot run and input host equal to 0.0.0. So this is on need to create a file and also activate debugging so that you can get the errors running and click play. So yeah, so running on address this. So it's running. If we click on this URL, it will take us to this URL, but nothing is found because we haven't created any URL for, any content for this URL right now. So we will go and create some routes. We'll create a route or a link for it. So just write app dot route and click. So this is your home route. Only slash means your home route, and this is the route every time you open, let's say you start your server. This is the home route that will open. Okay, so now let's go to methods. So methods we want for on the mainly two methods you will be using, that is get and post. So capital capital get and post. Right, the function name is home.
Sir, will you send this code afterwards or we have to write with you?
No, write it with me. That would be much better. Okay, so we are only sitting for 2 hours, right? So it's better if you write it right now and then modify your code as per as your project details. Okay?
Okay.
Because I want all of you guys to, by the end of this project, I want at least like 70 to 80% of your project to be complete. And if you follow along code along with me, then all the errors will show up, and you guys can sit with me and debug those errors, and you can complete your code much faster. I mean, your project much more faster. Okay, so now we'll just say RT and home. Sorry, home.html. Okay, so we don't have home.html. We'll create another folder, and this folder's name is going to be templates. So all your HTML file is gonna go inside this template. So I created this home.html. So I will just copy this and create another file inside it called home.html. Okay, home.html. And to create a HTML template, just put this epsilon, that is shift 1, and press enter. Oh, sorry, press tab. This will give you a basic HTML template. You can just leave it as home, and inside the body, let me just put h1 tag and say, or let's say hello, hello everyone. Good. So going to main.py, html.view, and saving it. Let's run it again. If any error comes, it should come over here. Now if you click on over here, this URL, follow link, open this. Yeah. So home did not return a valid response. Okay. So home did not a valid response. That's because we were not returning it. So I just forgot to put return. So now if I go and reload, So you can see that that HTML page that we created, it's coming over here. So this is how you create your basic and Flask server. This was the introduction of creating a basic Flask server and hosting one of your HTML pages on your on the web. And you can even try it. You can what you can do is what what you can do is you can copy this this URL and put it on your phone or on any other tablet, other computer device, whatever you have, and you will see that your HTML page is also being loaded over there, as long as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi or home network. Okay, so this was the introduction to creating a Flask server and hosting a basic HTML page on the server. So let me just, sorry, just